welcome back to Last Delicacies and Adventure. Of course, we're going to do good vibes and ambience and then to get value for our money. If it's your first time on this channel, you're most welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, can you put that subscribe button? And don't forget to put on the notification bell so that you notify you time we upload videos. So it's another beautiful day. We are in Al-Yusra restaurant in Mombasa. Yes, Mombasa. Just to let you know that Al-Yusra is a branch both in Nairobi and in Mombasa. I don't know whether you've visited the branch in Nairobi. It's along Accommodation Street down there near Jamia Mosque. That is where they are located. And right now we are in Mombasa branch. And let me tell you, even before I take you in, this place is heavenly. It's amazing. But so we are just doing this shoot during Ramadan before they open, because normally it's a very busy restaurant, so we chose a time when we do not have so many people, so that we get a chance to show you the place. So come in with me, let's see what they got for us. From the entrance, they've got some seats on from the entrance, some seats on the right side and some decor on the left hand side. And just have a look on the seats. And the decor on the left side, and the lighting was also amazing. That's the lighting. Just to let you know that once you get at the entrance, they've got soldiers who open the door for you. They are right there on your service, so immediately you get in, they are right there to open the door for you and also welcome you. So just tell us your name.
My name is Jacqueline Peter. I'm here for this soldier from Al-Yusra Hotel. I'm happy to see you.
Unasikiaje kutuona hapa? Sawa, basi so just so we proceed in. So we will go just direct to the seats. So guys, that's how their seats look like. So we proceed with the seats. These are the seats on the side. Right, these are the middle seats. So these are the middle seats. Just as I mentioned, that their seats are amazing and comfortable, and also the space. I mean, it's a bit spacious. Just look like this. So this is how the seats look like. I mean, you can't compare. You can't compare. We are yet to visit Al-Yusra in Nairobi and see what they got. I don't know whether they match the standards. And if they don't, they'll also be telling us why, because this is their branch. This is a bit newer. This is how it looks from the outside, as you can see right there. So these are this is a bit the middle. Then from up, their decor up, the bulbs are up. Just look at the bulbs, guys. It looks. And just to note that they also, bearing in mind that Mombasa is a bit too hot, they got ACs all over the place. So immediately you get in here, you feel some breeze. I mean, the fresh air and it's also a bit cold, so you forget the heat in Mombasa for a minute. So these are the middle ones, so let's show them the seats on the other side. So the couches, the blue ones are on one side, and these others are on this other side. Right, guys, so this is how this is still the seating and the seating arrangement. As I said, this place is pretty, and then also, as you've noticed, they've got the seats are quite spacious. The place is big. Like, even if you come with kids, you have a room, you have a place for them to play. It's a large area, so you have space and the privacy as well. Even as you get to enjoy your meal. So from there, we'll be taking you to the bar area, where they're going to show us and tell us what they make, and also get us a chance to taste. So guys, we are now at the bar area. As you can see, this is where all the drinks, including coffee, tea, and all the cocktails are done. So we are here with a very handsome gentleman is going to tell us his name and also tell us what he does, and also maybe get a chance to have a taste. So, tuambie jina lako.
Barista Al-Yusra. We are making coffee with drinks.
You're making?
We are making coffee, hot drinks, cold drinks, and the mocktails.
Or the mocktails. Je, mna pombe au ni mocktails peke yake?
This area is for under Muslims, so there's no alcohol.
Oh, it's a Muslim restaurant. Kwa hivyo hamna pombe, only the cocktails and the coffees and the teas. So what are you making for us?
Today we are making a drink called by the name, it's a hot drink with the name of mocha shake.
Mocha? Mocha shake. Or mocha.
It's a mocha. It's made up, it comprises of chocolate, coffee, milk.
Oh, una mix zote? Okay, coffee, milk, and chocolate. Alright. So, tutengeneze. So how long does it take you to make?
Just take like 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Alright, so guys, let's wait for the 3 minutes. Alright.
One, two, go.
Now we want to make the milk, to prepare our own milk, because we have the coffee and the chocolate. At this moment, we have our coffee, which is mixed with chocolate, and then the froth milk to make the foam. So we remove the top layer to get the smoothness of the milk.
You remove this one?
The top layer of the foam to get the smoothness of the milk. And then we're doing our mixture.
So here we have coffee, we have chocolate, and we have, wow, look at that. So let me ask, I like this shape. So how do you get to make it? Ama umezoea, ama ulifunzwa?
No, it has a formula.
It has a formula. So mtu kama mimi siwezi tengeneza. I can't.
At first you will not make it.
And with time,
Unless they tell you the formula and then practice.
Practice. So with time you get to learn. So does it have sugar ama mtu anajiwekea?
No, for sugar, it doesn't have sugar.
It doesn't have sugar. Right. So guys, that is my coffee. Do we call it? No, it's not coffee. What's the name again?
Because it's a combination of coffee, chocolate and milk.
Ah, right. So, yes. Let's go. So guys, I'm here waiting for my mocha and I did also mention, I forgot to mention, but let me just do it now. We've got enough waiters at this place, so immediately you order something, immediately you get in, there is always someone to welcome you and to serve you. So the mocha we're making is what I'm getting to enjoy. The sugar you get to put it yourself. So they've got the white sugar, you put it to your taste. Yes guys, it's very very sweet. So if you come to Mombasa, don't miss this chance of coming to Al-Yusra and tasting their mocha. It's really really sweet, especially on a simple night evening, and it's also a very nice place to come and relax. So guys, they also have a conference facility. So in case you have a meeting or you are coming to Mombasa probably for a company training or something, you can always visit them. This is where we are at. This is the conference area. You can also always maybe a private meeting, a birthday shower, or a birthday party right here. So we'll take you around the place. It's actually spacious and good enough for a large number of people. So let's see the conference area. Oh, they also have a TV, right? So if you're coming here, I don't know whether this is for watching or maybe you can come here and watch a movie or put YouTube because they got Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi is actually strong enough. They also have got charging ports and enough of them. So imagine charging ports plus Wi-Fi. You're always online even as you get to enjoy your time at Al-Yusra. So from here we will be taking you to the rooms. They've got amazing rooms, and their prices are very very affordable. So let's go to the rooms. They also have a sitting area at the rooftop where if you're in the rooms you get to enjoy. So stay tuned. We'll be going to the rooms and also be showing you the resting area for the guests. The building is not so tall. We just have one floor where we are right now, and this is how the sitting area looks like. We've got a seat here to just relax, and the breeze is awesome. The breeze is beautiful. There's so much fresh air, then there is not so much, the heat is not as much. So for a minute, for a moment, you forget the Mombasa heat. They also got, I love your flowers, and the flowers are natural. You know, they have really taken care of the flowers. So we'll just take you around to see the decor, the flowers, and the place. Yeah, so stay tuned. Let's continue enjoying the video. This is artificial grass. It really feels nice. I mean, yeah, it really feels nice. So yeah, we are here enjoying the breeze on your behalf. But please, if you happen to come to Mombasa, do not wonder, do not get confused. Just come to Al-Yusra and they will give you nice prices. Their services are awesome. Their waiters are beautiful and handsome, ready to serve you. So from here, I'll be taking you to the room. So let's go to the rooms. So guys, we are now at the rooms. I'm showing you where I'm spending my night. So yes, come with me to the rooms or to my room. So this is the place. This is the bed. This is a single one. So they've got bigger rooms, but for me, I just chose the small one because it was enough. They also have a telephone here to call, maybe in case you need to call the security, you need to call the kitchen, the bar, whichever, the parking, whichever you want, whenever you want to call, they have they need there. Then right here they've got a wardrobe, a small wardrobe for you, and a small desk. They also have a TV, and for our Muslim brothers and sisters, they also have mat here for your prayers. So yeah, don't worry, they got you covered. So here is the washroom. This is the washroom. They've got it's big enough as well. Yeah, it's big enough to accommodate maybe 1 or 2 people. So they got you covered. I don't know that there's anything else you've left about the place, because basically this is the last place for myself before I get to rest. So that is it for guys for the day. That was Al-Yusra restaurant, Mombasa. It's located on Nkuruma Road, opposite Absa Bank. Nkuruma Road opposite Absa Bank. That is where you'll get them. And just come, enjoy yourself, even as you get value for your money. As we said, this is where we get to enjoy good vibes and good company as well. So that is it for today. See you on the next.